Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have learned about hash map in Rust. Now in this video we are going to learn methods in Enum. It's a unique concept that is available in Rust programming language because in other programming language like C we do not have a methods concept in Enum. But in Rust we have this concept also, so we will learn how to define and call methods from the Enum. Let us start. Just we go to the VS Code and I create a new project, cargo new class 33 Enum methods. Go to this project and open it, main.rs file. Here we are going to implement this. So I create Enum here and I give the name of Enum is shape, and I provide here function, I say circle, and I provide here data type, I say f64 means the parameter which I am going to pass. Then I create one more, I say rectangle and I say f64 is a data type I am providing here. Now I can take last one is triangle and here I can say f64 because in triangle we have three sides. So like that I save this. So you see that we have an Enum in which we have the circle, rectangle, triangle, all these things we have as a variable of the Enum. Now I take IMP, you see IMPL, you know that we use IMPL for defining a methods for a structure, and here I am using it to define a method for Enum. So like this shape, and here I create a method, I say fn display like this, and we have self inside this, and like this we have this function, and here I check with the help of match, I say that self and we say shape. Then I try to define here value. So I say if the value is shape circle and we have the parameter here radius, then I say here print ln like this, and I say radius equal to this one, and I pass here this, and here I pass the self, not a shape. I need to pass the shell, you see this I need to pass here. Then next one is shape dot rectangle, and here I say L and B because it's a length and breadth, and then again I need to print ln, and here I say length equal to this and breadth equal to L and B like this. Then third one I say shape triangle, and I say A and then B and then C means all the sides which we have, and here again I say print ln, and I say side 1 equal to this, side 2 equal to this, and side 3 equal to this, and we can say A, B and C. So I save this. So you see that, so like that way we are defining a method, you see like this we are defining a method for this shape. Then we have a match parameter what we are going to use, so we have a display as a method for this shape. Now we have to use it, so go to this main, remove this, and here first of all I create a, I say sh variable for shape, so I say shape, and in this shape I provide first circle like this, and I provide the value also, so I say radius is 5.4 like this, I provide the value. Now I say sh dot display, so I am going to call this also, you see this is the function under this, and these are the variables of Enum type, you see, and we are calling this method of the Enum. So if I say here cargo run, so you will see that we have a radius equal to 4.5. remember that it giving some warning because we are not using all the variables, that's why it's showing the error. But in place of this circle I can also use rectangle, and I can provide two parameter here like this, and now if I run once again, and you will see that this time we have length and breadth, and we may also have triangle here, and I can provide three sides like this and like this, and I run it again, and you will see that this time we have the triangle. So whatever the variable or the value you will use from the Enum, according to that you will display the value from this display. So just an example to show you that in Enum we can define methods also in REST programming language. You see that simple one, but maybe important for your any project. So like this way you can define methods in Enum in REST programming language. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.